Hey there! Today I'm revealing a guilt-free snack you'll love, which is quick, flavorful, healthy, and made with simple ingredients. The star of this recipe is the humble but versatile sweet potato, a powerhouse of nutrition. Let's just get started. Take one sweet potato, peel it, and slice it into nice round pieces. Now, let's set up the steamer. In a pot, add water just below the level of the steamer basket and bring it to a boil. Once the water's bubbling, place the sliced sweet potatoes into the steamer basket and let them steam for about 15 to 20 minutes. While the sweet potatoes are steaming, let's prepare a refreshing cucumber dip to pair with it. Cucumbers are such a cooling and fiber-rich ingredient. They add a lovely contrast to the sweet potatoes. For this dip, chop one cucumber finely. Then, in a bowl, take 1 cup of hung curd, add salt and black pepper to taste, and mix it all together. Once that's done, mix the chopped cucumber. And just like that, the dip is ready to go. Set it aside while the sweet potatoes finish steaming. Now, let's prepare for marination. Mix together 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and a pinch of salt. Once the slices are perfectly steamed, coat them thoroughly in this mixture. This simple mix will help in creating a beautiful caramelized flavor to the sweet potatoes. You can even experiment with flavors here by adding a hint of cinnamon or cardamom, but I personally love the natural sweetness of plain caramelized sweet potatoes. Next, it's grilling time. Heat up a grill pan and add just a touch of oil. Once the pan is hot, place the sweet potato slices on it. They sizzle and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until they're tender and beautifully caramelized. Keep an eye out for those grill marks. They're a sure sign that your sweet potatoes are done to perfection. Now, let's start plating. Start by spreading the cucumber dip onto a plate. Top it with the caramelized sweet potato slices. The combination of flavors is absolutely divine. The creamy, low-carb cucumber dip pairs wonderfully with the tender, caramelized sweet potatoes. And the best part? This snack is gluten-free and keto-friendly, making it a great choice for just about anyone. And there you have it, a flavorful, wholesome snack that's as good for your body as it is for your taste buds. Enjoy this sweet potato snack anytime you want something delicious and healthy. If you try this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy and nutritious recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.